Hi, today I'm going to teach you how you can set up affiliate commissions inside of AiTrillion. To do this, log into AiTrillion and in the left-hand side navigation bar, click on Affiliate Program and then on Manage Rules. You then need to click on Create Rule in the top right-hand corner. And once you're in the Create Rule section, enter a rule name. For this example, I'll enter Test 321. I'll enable it. You can enable or disable the rule. You can create the rule for all your customers or for a specific segment that is pre-created, or you can create a brand new segment. We have several other videos that you can use to create segments. Have a look at them. They are available on our website as well as on YouTube. Once you're satisfied with all the settings you have made, click on Save, and it says Rule created successfully. Once done, you then need to go to Manage Programs again inside the Affiliate Program section of AiTrillion. And in the Manage Program section, click on Create Program and then enter a program name. Again, I'll call it Test 321. Enabled. Select the rule. The rule is currently auto-selected for me, but I can select or change any rule and apply that. Remember, each rule would apply to a certain segment of customers or may be applying to all customers depending on the settings you have. I will select 321 since that is the one I set up. Choose a commission type, whether you want to give a fixed commission, let's say $5, or you want to give a percent commission, which is more common and slightly more prevalent. And you can choose your own commission type. Let's say you want to give 10% off on every order. Once you're done setting up the commission value, click on Save. And that is all there is to setting up commissions inside of AiTrillion affiliate program. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.